'Twas the night before Christmas, and Santa was pleased. Operation North Pole was being executed with ease, thanks to a recent Microsoft Dynamics implementation from the TM Group. Santa has complete operational visibility and is always in the loop. With Business Central, he keeps tabs on the workshop, tools, and accounting, while the Field Service module helps him plan worldwide deliveries abounding. The Customer Engagement solution keeps track of who's naughty and nice. And with that kind of visibility, he doesn't have to think twice. Thanks to the Internet of Things, Santa plans his route and stays informed while he looks in on Noah to help his reindeer avoid any storm. The TM Group provides support, consulting, and more. The TM Group is Santa's trusted Microsoft Dynamics partner. Shouldn't we be yours?
Ho, ho, ho!